Hey guys, welcome back to A4 Biology YouTube channel. This video is about the new tutorial on the second unit, and I thought of uploading this unit as a series of videos because the lesson is quite long and you will get few tutorials as part 1, part 2, part 3, so on for this unit. So this tutorial has revision questions from the introduction part of the second unit, chemical and cellular basis of life, along with the subtopic water, which is also very important. The next video will be on organic molecules, starting from carbohydrates, proteins, lipids up until nucleic acids. So as usual, you can use the link in the description to download the tutorial. And also, if you are interested in joining with my classes, please join our WhatsApp group, A4 Biology WhatsApp group. And one more announcement about the final day of 2023 revision, which is on the 9th unit, microbiology, is in the coming week. So if you want to join with that, join with the WhatsApp group of the revision class. And that's all for today. I hope you all found this helpful, and please use this tutorial to revise, and I'm pretty sure it will help you a lot. So that's it for today, and please subscribe and support my channel. See you soon from the next video, most probably on organic molecules. Bye.